Maintenance days are my absolute favorite, and as you can see, my stylist did her thing, okay? You can find details on her below in the description box. I was so tired when I left the salon, and it was still a school night, so Kelsey and I needed to get home to shower and bathe and just, you know, get ourselves together. I need to get up early in the morning, cook my girl a good breakfast like normal, get her to school on time, and I need to get to the airport on time. So let's get back into this vlog.
So presently I'm standing here right now, you're so demanding. Tell me what you want.
Welcome aboard the plane train. Please hold on. This train is departing.
Concentrating on my musing lover and her babies. Made me wanna ask you later for a tip.
Items you should have received or any remaining cups, glasses, or any other items you'd like to discard in here. This is a flight attendant.
Next to me. I just wanna.
So good. Thank you so much. So good. Thank you. Oh my God. On that flight, so good.
I'm in the game. Sit to the G coast. Show some racks. Yeah, I got a boatload. What you want? I'm in the dope. That bitch, I'ma go.
All right, to New York.
Yeah, blue shoes, new whip, bitch, I do this. He want new shit, leave that boy clueless. Wrist side, bed this side, she run afraid, who this? He on the beef.
Fill the glass to the top of my way.
So when I was editing this vlog, you guys, I realized I only had a few brief videos in the hotel because everything was moving so fast. Of course, I traveled from Atlanta. Nigel had drove from Philly, and when we got together, we were just moving and grooving. Like, we had stops to make. So I inserted a few of their pictures in between my videos so you can just see the hotel and our room. The headboards lighting up was pretty dope. I was kind of playing with that here. I'm happy with the choice I made on picking this hotel. It was top tier, super clean, modern, and as advertised. Travel tips. So when I check in hotels, I always check the cleanliness before I get too settled. Maybe do a little additional sanitizing. I always check the hot water. Therefore, if you have any complaints, you can report it ahead of time. But everything was 10-10 on our end. It was 7:25 and we was hungry. Made it to New York, you guys. Finally checked in. We had a few stops, but finally in the room or whatever. Super cute. Yeah, my hair is still laid and paid. Laid and paid. Catch you guys. We about to head out and go get some food. I'm just a passenger princess.
Right. Get for it. They got body crabs, they got steak, they got shrimp lo mein, they got lobster, they got salt and pepper dungeon.
I did not charge my camera, guys, so we actually waiting in front of the place. We just out here chilling and waiting. She said 6 people in front of us, so I'm gonna catch you guys in the restaurant. Made no sense. Bad influence. Now you over there looking sleepy and full. And all that stuff. One thing Atlanta gonna do is give you a boot. You park somewhere you're not supposed to park. So Nigel is just doing her own thing, and I'm with it. I'm supporting whatever my friend do. But hey, ain't no boot. I don't know. Do they give you a ticket though? You might have a secret ticket. Okay,
we don't pay tickets anyway. We pay them no mind.
Okay. Oh shit, my arm.
Oh shit, my bad.
Oh
tried to roll because I don't want him to come over here. He's doing some crazy shit.
Girl, he didn't listen to his music. Nigel and her suggestions got me so full and sleepy. Eating all that goddamn food. That shit was heavy as hell because I am so sleepy. Oh, for real.
Now we turn off noise.
These streets will make you feel brand new. Big lights will inspire you.
Come on.
Let's hear it for
You welcome, OG.
New York.
I made you hot, nigga.